Foods good for the foods play to circular role in maintaining oral health. Eating a well-balanced, healthy and nutrition diet is vital for good dental health both in children and adults. Protein and tooth damage. Proteins vital for the formation and maintenance for the tooth states. They also protect the mucous and connectivity tissue lines of oral cavity and contribute toward a healthy immunity system. Food-rich protein include soya, egg, beans, seafood, and dairy foods. Calcium and phosphorus. Calcium and phosphorus compress the structure of teeth. The help prevent against teeth. Calcium promotes a process knowledge which revert the tooth damage. Zinc prevents the formation, the mucous layer and connectivity tissue soil the oral cavity. Milk and dairy are rich the calcium and phosphorus. Other foods which are great source of calcium include seafood, tofu, almond, wheat, leaf vegetable, and liquors. Cheese is a rich source of calcium, supporting teeth due is adaptive nutrition. Once it sticks to tooth surface, it releases the calcium which the immediately which plant surface. Calcium helps repairing damaged tooth structure by professional human. Vitamin D. Vitamin D saturation growth, proper function of mucus and connectivity tissue. It promotes the remineralization process for helping calcium absorb and the body. Sunlight, the richest source of the vitamin D, are sourced in the vitamin are milk, fish, egg, and cod liver oil. Vitamin K. Vitamin essential in maintenance the mucous line for the connectivity tissue, supporting the teeth. Carrots are good source vitamin A, as orange fruits, sweets, potato, drugs, rare green vegetable like a Spanish cala, egg, yogurt, and fish also connected with vitamin A proportion. Vitamin C. Vitamin C promotes the integration and remodulation of the collagen. The structure of body is responsible for maintenance the structure of the pulmonal ligament. Foods such as lemon, orange, sweet potato, pepperoni, etc. Vitamin D helps in growth development for the ethical pulse line, the oral cavity. Vitamin D is found in high amount in fish, red meat, milk, almond, green leaf vegetable. Vitamin E. Vitamin E acts great antioxidant. Food rich in vitamin E included nut, almond, green leaf, vegetable, and avocado. Fish is also good source of vitamin E. Green tea is potent the rich in the antioxidant. Foods rich in iron, potassium, phosphorus, and